Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add trusted domain to your Notion workspace. So all you have to do is go ahead and click your workspace name on the upper left hand side and go to the settings. And under this section, click on general on the left hand side and you will find a section that says trusted domains. Now you can easily go ahead and allow domains if you type that email domain right here. So let's say I want to add, for example, google.com. I can just type in google or gmail.com. As you can see, it shows Gmail. I can click on that, and gmail.com could be an option, right? So and you can just basically add any other domain that you will want to add there from here, right? So whichever other email domain that you want, as you can see here, it says anyone with email address at the domain, they can automatically join the workspace once you allow or add those email domain right here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.